Hello and welcome back to SkillWeb. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove vocals on Audacity. So let's get started. At first, select the audio and then go to Effects. Click on Special. Now choose Voice Reduction and Isolation. Click here and you will see different options available. Play around with each of them to choose the perfect one for your audio. Then you can check the strength, low cuts and high cuts and preview it and make it sound as per your choice. Preview your audio and then click OK. After that, you will be able to remove the vocals from your audio. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.